Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on Stellar. On a daily time frame chart, the price line of Stellar has once again reached very close to the resistance of this down channel. At the same time, Stellar is trying to break out this long-term resistance of 40 cents. That was recently working as a support here, and before that it was working as support here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance, and now we need to break out a crisscross of two resistance levels here. We have the resistance of 40 cents, that is a quite long-term resistance, and the resistance of this down channel as well. By the way, since after 24th of November 2024, the price line is moving inside this channel. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, then we got a few more rejections here, then the price line had another bounce from the support, then we got again rejected by the resistance of the channel, then we had another bounce here on 20th of December 2024, and now the price line is once again about to hit the resistance. For example, if this time the price line of Stellar will be rejected by the resistance, then while moving inside this channel, it can test this long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously breaking it as a very strong resistance zone here, resistance on here, support on here, support on here, and support on here. And here it was also breaking as a support. And this, by the way, a very long-term support on therefore again, it can break at it. Very strong support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge almost for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line has rallied very well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. Two bullish reversal setups I've been sharing with you for the past 2 years. One was this huge formation of a big falling wedge pattern. I've been telling you in those days when it was moving inside this wedge that this is the bullish bias pattern, and eventually the pricing can break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally after that. And the next bullish reversal setup was this harmonic bullish reversal setup that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garland pattern that Stellar formed on the 30-day or monthly time frame chart. And now this signal has produced almost a more than 400% pump. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge descending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Mana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 17th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me take you to the long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garland pattern that Stellar found on a monthly time frame chart. And therefore, this was a very long-term trade signal. And by the way, when I shared this signal, you can see at that time the price line of Stellar was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And so far it has rallied up to 63.74 cents. So this is almost a more than 400% very massive pump. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price line is moving inside this down channel. After this powerful rally, you can see that first the price line formed this falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in those days when it was moving inside this wedge in the month of July 2024. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a pump. At least the technical target was here at the top of the wedge at 16.2 cents, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target. And during this move, the price line also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And after getting squeezed inside this triangle, we broke it out, and then we had a very, very powerful rally. And now, after this rally, I was following this price correction as a bull flag, but now this is not anymore a bull flag, because if I place a Fibonacci tool from this low to here, then you can see that the price line has retraced almost up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So in bull flag formation, by the way, the price line does not retrace more than 0.382. Therefore, now this bull flag is not valid. However, still, this is a bullish bias pattern. That is a down channel, and eventually the price line can break out the resistance of the channel. And we have just touched the golden pocket as well. That is also considered as a price reversal zone. And now the price line has started that reversal and read the resistance of the channel. And now soon we may see a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this channel. But if the price line will be once again rejected by the resistance of this channel, then again it can drop down at the support of the channel. And if this time the price line drops down to test the support, then it can test the support somewhere between 27 to 25 cents. And over there we have a very long-term support zone that has been recently working as a resistance zone here. You can see that for stable days from 16th of November to 21st of November 2024, it has been working as a resistance zone. And if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that previously this 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here in the month of April 2022, in the month of Feb 2022, and before that, it had been working as a very, very strong support zone from the month of January 2021 up till the month of December 2021. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a strong resistance, and now recently we have broken out. Therefore, now if the price then drops down at this support zone from 27 to 25 cents, then again it can work as a very, very strong support zone for the price line, and it will be really very difficult for the price line to break it out. Now, if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, and by the way, let me to show you first the target in case of breaking down the support that I'm not expecting. However, in case of breaking down the support of the channel, the technical target to the downside, for example, if we will break it down from here, if the price then reaches here at 27 cents and breaks it down from here, then it can drop down approximately here at 17.6 cents. But before that, we will have another very strong support here, approximately at 18.5 or 18.3 cents. That is the previous resistance of the channel that can now work as support. If we move back to the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, the price and also formed this up channel, and it had been moving inside this channel for a quite long term, like from the month of August 2022 up till the month of November 2024, it has been moving inside this channel. By the way, we found the support and resistance of this up channel when it was moving inside this, right? Since then, it was moving inside this channel. And now this previous resistance of the channel can also work as a strong support for the price line of Stellar. Now let's move back to the daily time frame chart. And now let's take a look at the target for the breakout in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel. The technical target to the upside will be here. That will be at the top of the channel, approximately at 64 cents. And before that, we will have another quite long-term and very strong resistance here at 53 cents and as well. And by the way, first we will need to break out this 40 cents, and the price and we'll need to break out this resistance of 53 cents, and then it can hit this target at 64 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance of 53 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Stellar. Now, let's take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past 2 years. And I've been telling you that, like previously, we broke out this channel. And I've been telling you, by the way, I have been showing you this channel even before the breakout as well back in 2020. And I was telling you that the target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 50 cents. And you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target. Same as like that. The technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 80 cents to $1, and you can see that the price line is about to hit that target after this massive rally. We are very, very close to hit that target, and I'm expecting that as soon as the price line breaks out this channel, then soon it can also hit this target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Now, let's take a look at this very, very huge ascending triangle that Stellar has formed on the monthly time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of June 2017, it is moving inside this ascending triangle. We had a bounce here. By the way, we had so many rejections here, so many bounces. Like we had bounce in the month of July 2017, then in the month of August 2017, October, and this was the last bounce in the month of October 2017. From July 2017 up till the month of October 2017, then the pricing got rejected here in the month of January 2018. Then we had another bounce from the support in the month of March 2020. Then we got two rejections by the resistance in the month of April and May 2021. And then the price went very close to the support here and moved here sideways. And finally, for few months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 months, the price has been moving at this support. And then in the month of November 2024, recently, the price geared up after testing the support. And now recently, it is once again getting rejected by the resistance of this triangle. And now it is breaking down the support of 40 cents. On the 7 days time frame chart, we have broken it down. On the monthly time frame, so far, the candlestick is not close below the support of 40 cents. And for example, if we will break it down, this 40 cent support, then this is the next long-term support at 25 cents. That is a complete support zone that I was showing you here on the 7 days time frame chart. It has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, support, and support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone for the price line. And in case of breaking down this support zone, again, the price line of XLM can drop down at the support. This long-term uptrend line support of this triangle, approximately at 10 cents or 11 cents. And therefore, we need to keep an eye on this support zone. That will be really very critical from 27 to 25 cents. And now if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, you can see that the movement is now getting squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, soon we may see a breakout from this triangle. However, this can be a quite long-term move because this triangle is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And as per this measurement, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, and for example, if we will have a breakout from here, right from here, then technical target. By the way, this trend line is moving slightly to the downside. Therefore, the more the price line will be moved forward, the more the target can be lower. And so far, as per this breakout, if we will have a breakout from here, then technical target can be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.